You're probably running an old version of iOS, but what if you could get your hands on the latest features before anyone else? iOS 27 is here, and it's packed with innovative updates. Let's dive in and explore what's new. You'll notice a fresh new look as soon as you boot up, with redesigned icons and a revamped control center. It's sleek, it's modern, and it's exactly what you'd expect from Apple. But that's not all, there are some serious performance upgrades under the hood. You'll get faster app launches, smoother transitions, and an overall more responsive experience. But what really caught my attention is the new AI-powered predictive typing. It's crazy accurate, and it can even predict what you're gonna say before you say it. You'll be typing like a pro in no time. But that's still not all. The new iOS 27 also includes some major updates to the camera app. You'll get improved low-light performance, better portrait mode, and even a new feature called Live Photos 2.0 that lets you record video and take photos at the same time. It's pretty cool, but there's one thing that's got everyone talking: the new focus mode. It's like a superpowered do not disturb mode that can block notifications, silence your phone, and even adjust your home screen to help you stay focused. You can customize it to fit your needs, and it's perfect for when you need to get work done. But here's the thing, it's not just about staying focused, it's also about staying safe. The new iOS 27 includes some major security updates, including improved Face ID and Touch ID. You'll also get better protection against phishing attacks and other online threats. It's great to see Apple taking security so seriously. Now, I know what you're thinking, what about the battery life? Well, let me tell you, it's looking good. The new iOS 27 includes some serious power-saving features, including a new low-power mode that can extend your battery life by up to 50%. It's perfect for when you're on the go and can't charge your phone. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of the other new features in iOS 27. Like the new shared clipboard that lets you copy text on one device and paste it on another. It's pretty handy, and it's a great example of how Apple is using AI to make your life easier. And then there's the new smart home features that let you control all your devices from one place. It's like having your own personal assistant, and it's pretty cool. But what really gets me excited is the new augmented reality features. You'll be able to use your iPhone to interact with the world around you in a whole new way. It's like having a superpower, and it's going to change everything. So, what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade to iOS 27 and experience all these new features for yourself? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for daily tech videos.